So yeah, you weren't the biggest fan of dentistry before coming to see us. Do you want to tell us a little bit about your history with dentistry?
Well, saying I'm not the biggest fan is putting it politely. I didn't go to a dentist for maybe 15 years. Bad childhood experiences made me absolutely terrified, to the point I'd have to be in excruciating pain, and even then nobody could touch me, so it was just constant antibiotics. Even when I rung to make an appointment to come here, I was crying, shaking, I couldn't breathe. That poor receptionist had to calm me down. That was just an initial just to be looked at. So yeah, really, really bad nerves.
And were they okay on the phone with you? Were they able to calm you down a little bit more?
Yep, that receptionist sat on the phone with me for about half an hour, just calming me down, making me laugh a little bit. So I felt a little bit more relaxed when I got off the phone. I'd stopped crying anyway.
And then you came and see us, had a check-up, we looked round, spotted some problems, but you weren't keen on going ahead with the treatment. So how did we get past that?
Yeah, I mean, even to come to get looked at, I was crying and shaking. I was like this in the corner. You can't touch me, you can't touch me. It took a while just to get looked at. So I opted for some of the treatment to be done under sedation. And I could not recommend it highly enough. When I came for that appointment, I was crying, even though I'd built a little bit more confidence, but I was a bit unsure about sedation. I wasn't quite sure what it was going to be like. I couldn't understand, well, if I'm not completely knocked out, how can you come near me with a drill? But it was just, I can't explain just how, it was a really nice experience. So even though I was really upset when I got here, as soon as the needle went in, it just felt like when alcohol hits, or something really pleasurable just relaxes you, and you just sort of like go. And then the next thing I knew, I was coming round, I was laughing, and I just felt like this really deep state of relaxation. And even it wore off gently, and I was still so relaxed. I couldn't believe that sort of experience was just so pleasant. It was just, I'd recommend sedation to anybody. If I could have every bit of dental treatment done, I'd be sedated every week. I loved it.
Pleasant dentistry. Excellent. Well, that's quite a turnaround for Leanne. I'm so pleased that we're getting you there. Getting a healthy mouth, right?
Yep.
End of the dental
not
phobia.
crying.
And not crying.
Shaking.
Happy days.
Yep.
Thank you for that, Leanne. Excellent. Cheers.